Okay, so I'm documenting today, me and my daughter Destin. Hey Des. We are going shopping today, so we're celebrating my birthday. So here we go. Okay, we're fixing to stop at this little place right here. It's called, well, you can see it says the Boutique. So we're fixing to go in here and do a little shopping and see what they got.
That's the vintage room.
I'll check that out. So they got a little bit of everything in here. So this is the Center of Hope. The boutique is on Facebook. So I don't know if you can scan that or not. But anyway, they got a lot of donations and stuff. And then they bring them to this store. So they got lots of clothes too. Whole lot of clothes. I'm going to shop and see if I can't find me something. This store goes pretty far back. Here's another room. I just keep finding rooms. This has got all kind of knick-knack and stuff in here. Glassware. And of course you can't have a boutique without shoes. So here's a long scarf, and you know what I thought would be nice? That would go good around your cuffs, like that. I might get it. Okay, so now we're headed to our local Goodwill. Okay, we're fixing to go in, see what they got. That noise is a car wash. There's my baby girl. Gonna see what kind of furniture they got. This is such a cute little desk right here. There's always a picture section, but I don't think I need anything right now. So I always like to check out the section where they have the sheets and stuff, because lots of times you'll find a nice sheet. And I always like to get the lace when I can find it too. Here's some right here. I don't think I need blue. Wave, Des. She's not playing. Now these little characters are really cute. I don't know how much they are. Oh God, it says $9.99. Surely that's not the Goodwill price. I don't know how much they are, but they got a lot of Christmas stuff on this aisle. Okay, I found the price. They're $2.99 a piece. They're so cute. I love the little snowmen. I'll think about getting those. This is the aisle the catch-all, but you never know what you're going to find on this aisle. So it appears as like everything else, Goodwill has raised their prices too. On some of the stuff I used to see for $1, $2 is double that. It's a shame. I see this little rascal right here. I think it's right cute. And I looked at the price and it's $4.99. So I think I will get that. I see a nice little skillet here. That'd be nice to put on the grill to cook you a steak. This one right here is just $3.99. Those come with a plate and they're $5.99. I don't need a plate. I think I'll get this one. Okay, so I think my daughter finally found something. She never turns around when I hold the camera in front of her face. Let's see what you got. What'd you get? Oh, no. That's cute. Okay, so I decided to go ahead and get the one with the plate on it. But I will tell you, I'm carrying this out to my car because while Goodwill does not give sacks anymore, so whatever you buy, you got to tote it out in your hand. Okay, now we're headed to another little place, and it is called the Dogwood Lane. So we're fixing to go in here and check it out. All right, they've got Christmas stuff on the front porch. It really looks cute. More stuff over here. Beautiful Christmas trees on the inside. So let's check out this room. Got all kind of stuff in here too. I might ought to check that out. Look at this bed. Isn't that adorable? Oh, that's so cute. Reminds me of my childhood. We had a wrought iron bed. This is a whole row, a whole wall of jewelry. This is a beautiful room. Real pretty. They've got all kind of stuff in here as well. I'm gonna have to put down the phone so I can start shopping. This big clock. How cute. If you're into honey, they've got it. Get a little closer. They got all kind. Slow when she shops. That is such a beautiful little table. How funny. You can even shop in the bathroom. Okay, so no luck in there. We didn't find anything in there, but we're going to another store. However, I did find out something. I did not know you could touch my doors and they would lock them. My daughter taught me that. Okay, now we're in a place called Common Threads. All you ever see is the back of my daughter's head. They got all kind of stuff here too. Lots of good stuff. Okay, they got good prices. Okay, so let's check out the dishes. They got an array of stuff. I think I'm going too fast with this camera. Probably make you dizzy. Let me slow down. So they got lots of stuff here. This is called Common Threads. Okay, so it looks like they got some deals on the front porch. So they got lots of stuff in here. Got lots of glassware. Ooh, I better be careful on this aisle. The haul in the car is getting mighty big. Okay, so now we've entered a store and it's called Treasures, Accents, and what's it called? Accents and Treasures? I forget what it's called. Anyway, we're in the basement. So we're gonna go around here and then we'll hit the top. A lot of clothes here. They got tons of stuff. And we're just in the basement. Okay, we've shopped at a bunch of stores today, and now my daughter's fixing to take me out to eat, and I'm hungry.